Integrating Bill.com API events allows you to automate and streamline your accounting and billing processes. To get started, you need to have a Bill.com account and be familiar with API basics. First, you need to register for a Bill.com developer account and create an application to obtain your API keys. The API keys are used to authenticate your API requests. Once you have your API keys, you can start making API calls to retrieve or send data. The Bill.com API uses a RESTful architecture, which means you can use standard HTTP methods such as GET, POST, and PUT to interact with the API. The API endpoints are organized by resource, such as bills, invoices, and payments. To integrate Bill.com API events, you need to set up webhooks. Webhooks allow the Bill.com API to notify your application of events such as new bills, payments, or invoices. To set up a webhook, you need to provide a callback URL that the API can send event notifications to. When an event occurs, the Bill.com API sends a notification to your callback URL with details about the event. Your application can then process the event and take the necessary actions. For example, when a new bill is created, your application can automatically send a notification to the accounting team or update the bill status in your system. Best practices for integrating Bill.com API events include handling errors and exceptions, validating user input, and testing your integration thoroughly. You should also ensure that your application can handle multiple events simultaneously and that you are complying with Bill.com API usage guidelines. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Bill.com API events and automate your accounting and billing processes. This can help reduce manual errors, increase efficiency, and improve your overall accounting workflow.